everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Gayatri and in today's video I am going to show you how to create this beautiful olive golden eye look. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And now without further ado, let's get started. So I am starting out with the eye base. For the eye base I am going to use this Kiss Beauty Conceal and Contour Stick in the shade number 2. I'm using the lighter shade to prep the eyes, and then gently with my index finger I'm just packing it in, just blending it in all over the eyes so that we get a nice white base. Now with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I'm just taking the eyeshadow from the Nykaa palette and packing it all over the eyelid to set the concealer. With a dense pencil brush, I'm using the olive eyeshadow, just making it intense and going in on her natural crease area. I'm just gonna increase the intensity of the product. This shade from the eyeshadow palette and just blending it in with the olive shade so that I don't get the harsh edges on the crease line. And again with the same pencil blush I am making the outer eye look more intense. With the fluffy blending brush I'm just blending it in so that we don't get any harsh edges. So I'm blending it here. Just take your time blending the eyeshadow. Golden color which has a hint of olive undertone in it, and just placing it with this sponge applicator on the inner half of the eye. I feel like sponge applicators like this are really great for applying the glitter eyeshadows. Blending brush and blending out the harsh edges that are caused by the glitter, and just gently do it. We don't want to place that olive shade on the golden glitter. We don't want to make our sparkly moment, muddy. And I felt like there was not enough glitter, so I went with my finger there and just place it in and again blend it out. And then with the same palette that I used earlier, I'm using the lightest shade from it for the inner corner highlight. I really quickly did her eyebrows, and with the pencil, I don't know from where it is, I'm really sorry for that. And with this brush I think it's really immensely easy to work with your eyebrows. And then I'm using this eyeliner by Simera. I don't know what to call it, but it is a really good eyeliner for the price that you pay. It's 420 bucks. It is really good. It has a shine, and I wanted this look to be blingy, shiny. That's why I use this eyeliner particularly. And then this is the final look, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and share this video. Also do not forget to subscribe my channel and click that notification bell.